Wooden handmade animal creations are a wonderful way to express creativity and showcase craftsmanship. There are endless possibilities when it comes to designing and crafting wooden animal figures, each one unique and full of character. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, creating wooden animals can be a rewarding and enjoyable hobby. One of the first steps in creating wooden animal figures is to choose the type of wood that best suits your project. Different types of wood have varying characteristics, such as grain patterns, color, and hardness, which can influence the final look and feel of your creation. Popular choices for wooden animal figures include pine, oak, maple, and cherry, each offering its own distinct qualities. Once you have selected your wood, it's time to sketch out your design or gather inspiration from existing animal figures. Whether you are aiming for realistic depictions or whimsical interpretations, the possibilities are endless. From intricate details like fur texture and facial expressions to simplified forms that capture the essence of the animal, there are countless ways to bring your wooden animal figure to life. Next, you will need to gather the necessary tools and materials for your project. Basic woodworking tools such as saws, chisels, sandpaper, and wood glue are essential for shaping and assembling your wooden animal figure. Depending on the complexity of your design, you may also need specialized carving tools or paints to add color and detail to your creation. As you begin shaping and carving your wooden animal figure, pay close attention to the details and proportions to ensure a realistic and visually appealing result. Take your time to refine the contours and features of the animal, adding depth and dimension to bring it to life. Experiment with different carving techniques and finishes to achieve the desired look and texture for your wooden animal figure. Once your wooden animal figure is complete, consider adding finishing touches such as a clear coat of varnish or paint to protect the wood and enhance its appearance. Display your creation proudly in your home or give it as a thoughtful gift to friends and family who appreciate handmade craftsmanship. Experiment with different wood types. Different types of wood have varying characteristics that can influence the look and feel of your wooden animal figure. Consider trying out different types of wood to see how they affect the final result. Add details and textures. To make your wooden animal figure more realistic and visually interesting, consider adding details such as fur textures, scales, feathers, or other distinctive features of the animal you are creating. Use reference images. If you are aiming for a realistic depiction of an animal, using reference images can be helpful in capturing the proportions, anatomy, and details accurately. Study the animal's features and characteristics to inform your design. Practice carving techniques. Carving is a key skill in creating wooden animal figures. Practice different carving techniques such as relief carving, chip carving, and whittling to achieve different textures and details in your creations. Incorporate color. While natural wood tones can be beautiful on their own, adding color can enhance the visual appeal of your wooden animal figure. Consider using wood stains, paints, or other coloring techniques to add depth and character to your creation. Create a series. If you enjoy making wooden animal figures, consider creating a series of animals that belong to the same theme or habitat. This can showcase your creativity and woodworking skills while creating a cohesive collection. Share your creations. Once you have completed your wooden animal figures, consider sharing them with others who appreciate handmade craftsmanship. Display your creations at craft fairs, art shows, or online platforms to showcase your talent and connect with fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Personalize your designs. Put your own spin on traditional animal figures by incorporating unique elements or personal touches that reflect your style and personality. Experiment with different poses, expressions, or accessories to make your creation stand out. In conclusion, creating wooden handmade animal figures is a fulfilling and creative endeavor that allows you to showcase your woodworking skills and imagination. Whether you choose to craft realistic replicas or whimsical interpretations, each wooden animal figure is a unique work of art that reflects your passion for woodworking and love of animals. So grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and start crafting your own wooden animal creations today.